Hello students, welcome to the next video of maths. Okay student, till now we have done simply write the product like this. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay, and 4 into 3 is equals to 12. But today we are going to do new type of question. Okay, so here it is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks to make sentence true. Okay, and our question is just like this: 3 into dash is equal to 6. Okay, we have to fill in the blanks to make the sentence true. Means what will come here, that their product will be 6. Okay, so how will come to know what will come here? How we will come to know that what will be come here? What will we do? क्या करेंगे हम? 3 we will divide this 6 by 3. Okay, we will divide this 6 by 3. When we will divide 6 by 3, I'll show you division. We will divide this 6 by 3. Then what will our answer? 3 to 6. Okay student. So we will write 2 here. Now this sentence is true. Means this is equals to this. This 3 into 2 is equal to 6 is equal to 6. Okay. Means both the sides are equal. Okay student. Now in this, what will come here such that the product of 2 is equals to 8. Okay, what will come here that in such that the product of these two is equals to 8. Okay, again what we have to do is we will divide this 8 by 4. Okay student, we will divide this 8 by 4. Okay, then how we will write it? We will write this 8 divided by 4. Okay student, then 4 to 8, our answer will be 2. Now 4 to 8 is equals to 8. Okay, we have to find the digit so that the product of the 2 is equals to this side. Okay, the product of the 2 is equals to this side. So what will we do now in this? What we will do? We will just divide this 15 by 5. Okay student, we can write it as 15 divided by 5. Okay student, and when we will divide 15 by 5, what will we get? 5 is a 15. Okay student, so what will come here? Then it will come 3. Okay, 5 3 is 15. Okay, 5 3 is 15, so it is equals to 15. We have to find the digit such that the product of the 2 is equals to this. The product of the 2 is equals to this. This is very interesting and very easy, but for one you will understand it, you can do it also. Okay student, and for this you must know the tables. Now here, what digit will come here such that the product of these two is equals to 18. Okay, again we will divide this 18. We will divide this 18 by this 6. Okay, 18, we write here 18 divided by 6. We have to divide 18 by 6. Okay, so we will do 18 divided by 6. How many times will 18 go? 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18. Okay, so here what will come here? 6 into 3. 6 3 ja 18, which is equals to this. Okay student, in this way we have to make the sentence true. Means we have to find the digit. We find the digit such that the product of the 2 is equals to this side. Okay, the product of the 2 is equals to this side. I will do some more sums so that you can do homework yourself. Okay student, first try to understand this. This is very simple and very easy. Okay student? Okay student, let us do some more sums on the same topic. Okay, fill in the blanks. Our question is fill in the blanks to make the sentence true. Okay, we have to find a digit here such that the product of the 2 is equals to the right hand side. Okay, so we have to find a digit such that when we multiply these two numbers, we will get this. Okay, student. So what will come here? We don't know what will come here. So what we will do? We will just divide this 48 by 12. We will divide this 48 by 12. Okay, students. So what we will do? We will just divide 48 by 12. Okay. 12 1 ja 12. 12 2 ja 24. 12 3 ja 36. 12 4 ja 48. Okay, students. So what will come here? 4. So 12 4 ja 48, which is equal to this side. Okay. We have to find the digit such that the product of the two is equals to this side. Okay, student. In the same way, we have to do the second one. Here we don't know what the number will come here. So what we will do? We will divide this 10 by 5. Okay, student. We will divide this 10 by 5. When we will divide this 10 by 5, we will divide this 10 by 5. Okay, student. 5 1 ja 5. 5 2 ja 10. Okay. So our answer will be 2. 5. When we multiply these two digits, 5 into 2, 5 2 ja 10. It is equal to this side. Okay, student. So again here we have to find a digit such that the product of the two is equals to this side. Okay. We don't know what will come here. So what we will do? We will just multiply this 24 with this 6. Okay. 6. 24 divided by 6. Okay. 6 1, how many times it will go? 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24. Okay, student. So what will come here? 4. Now when we multiply these two digits, we will see that the product of these two is equal to this side. Okay. Then our sentence is true. 6 4 ja 24, which is equal to this side. Okay, student. Now the next one is 2 into dash is equal to 16. We have to find what the digit of the number will come here. Okay. Now again we will divide 16 by 2. Okay. We will divide 16 by 2. Okay. We will divide this 16 by 2. We will divide this 16 by 2. Okay. Now how many times it will go? 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16. Okay, student. Now what will come? What will come here? This 8 will come. Okay, we write 8. Okay, and the product of the 2 8 ja 16 is equals to this side. Okay, student. So in this way we have to find a number such that the product of these two numbers is equals to the opposite side. Okay, then it will make a true sentence. Okay, student. Till now we were doing simple product. Write the product only. Okay, student. But for these things you have to learn the tables. You can divide without learning the tables. Okay, student. So please learn the tables from 12 to 20. Okay, you know the table up to 12, you have learned the table up to 12, you have to learn the tables up to 20. Okay, student. So for doing this division, we should know the tables. Okay, these are very simple and these are very easy. So now we will do the next question. Okay, our next question is, okay student, now come to the next question. This is fill in the blanks. Very simple question. First, once you will get it, you can do it yourself. Okay, fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks. What will come here? What will come here? Okay, 9 7s are. Earlier we were doing the division. Okay, to find out the blank. But here to find out this blank, what we have to do? 9 7s are. 9 7s are means 9 into 7. We will just multiply 9 into 7. 9 7s are 63. So what will come here? Here it will come 63. Okay, student? 63. Okay? This way you have to multiply it. Okay? 9 7s are. 9 7s are is equal to 63. Okay? So we have to multiply 9 by 7, we will get 63. Okay, student? Again, for doing this type of sums, you need to learn the tables. Please learn the tables. Okay, from 12 to 20. You should know the tables from 12 to 20 to do the multiplication or division. It is tables are very important. Okay, student. Now 3 2's are. 3 2's are. What will come here? Yes, what will come here? We will just multiply 3 by 2. 3 2's are 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So what will come here? Here 6 will come here. Okay, student. So in this way we will multiply the digits. Okay. Now the 5 2's are. 5 2's are. What we will do? We will multiply this 5 by 2 is equals to 10. Okay, student. So what will come here? 10. 10 will come. Okay. In this way we will get our answer. 6 3's are. 6 3's are. Okay. So just we will multiply 6 into 3 is equal to 6 3's are 8. This just means that 3 times 6. 3 times 6. Okay. 3 6 3's are. Okay. In multiplication form we will get the answer like this, but in addition form we will get 6 3's. 6 3's means we have to write 3 times 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6. We can also do in this way also. This is the multiplication form and this is the addition form. We can find our answer in this way also. Okay. 6 3's are. 6 3's are. Means we have to write this 6 3 times. We have to add this 6 3 times, or we will just multiply 6 by 3. Okay. So our answer will come same. What will be the answer here? 18. Okay, student. We can do we can apply either of the method. Okay, either we can multiply 6 into 3 is equal to 18, or we can write 6 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. 6 plus 6 plus 6. What will be our answer? Our answer will be 18. Okay, we can apply both the ways. 5 7's are. 5 7's are. Okay, student. We can write it in both the forms. Multiplication form and addition form. In multiplication form, we will just multiply 5 into 7. 5 7 is 35 like this. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. And in addition form, how we will write? We will write this 5 7 times. Okay. We will write 5 7 times. Means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 7. Okay. 7 times we will write 5. And when we will add them, we will get the same answer. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, and 30 plus 5 35. Okay, we can solve it in both the way. Okay, but our answer will be 35. Answer will be 35. Okay, student, these sums are very easy. Only the thing is you should know the tables. You have to learn the tables. For doing multiplication and division, you have to learn the tables. And you should not know the tables from 2 to 12. Okay, students. Now, the next one is I'll write this one. Okay, so these are very easy. Now, 6 11's are. We have to do 6 11's are. 6 11's are means we will multiply 6 by 11. Our answer will be 66. Okay, or we can do 6 11's are. Means we have to write 6 11 times. Okay, we have to add this 6 11 times. So we can also write 6 plus 6 plus 6. This is very lengthy method. Okay, we can apply both the method, but our answer will be 66. Okay, student. So this way you have to do these sums. Okay, these are very easy, but for doing this such sums, you have to learn the tables. Okay, student. So I am giving you and telling you again and again that you have to learn tables. Learn tables. Tables from 12 to 20. Okay. I'll give this work, this homework in your worksheet also. But every time I tell you to learn the tables. Okay, student. So this much we have studied today. Okay, student. Let's continue in our next class. Okay. I hope you understand this. Okay. Watch the video. If you will not understand it, I will tell in the class also. Okay. I will explain it to you in the class also. So go through the video once and do your work. If you are not able to understand, I will explain it in class also. Okay, student. So thank you, children. Let's meet in the next video. Okay. Thank you, everyone.